मैम यो मैम यो
मैम एकदम सामने
मैम यो मैम मैम स्टैंडिंग हुआ क्या
मैम
पीछे जाए मैम 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 और मैम मैम और
मैम यहाँ पे पीछे आ जाओ पीछे आ जाओ
मारने जगह पे सब मारेंगे
मैम सामने
इसको बाद में ले लेना
सामने
हाँ लाइन बॉक्स ले ले
मत अभी हम लोग से मत सिखाओ क्या होता है हम लोग
हाँ ठीक है
मैम स्ट्रेट मैम यहाँ देख लो स्ट्रेट सेंटर में देख लो मैम राइट
सेंटर देख लो
कैमरा है आपका रवि भाई कितना आगे जा रहे हो यार मेरा फ्रेम भी कर रहा है ना आप क्या कर रहे हैं
रवि भाई थोड़ा पीछे हो ना रवि भाई
एक्सक्यूज मी पीछे ना पूरे फ्रेम पे
क्या हो गया
तो यहाँ पे सर सामने सामने सर स्ट्रेट है सर थोड़ा सा सर यहाँ पे सर सामने आके सर स्ट्रेट सर स्ट्रेट है सर
थोड़ा भारी तलवार
सर स्टैंडिंग
हवा भी आ रही है
जी सर
सर यहाँ पे देखिए सर यहाँ पे सर सारा सर लुक स्ट्रेट है सर यहाँ पे सर मैम सामने मैम पीछे लेना आप अकेले किरण मैम सामने मैम ये मैम सामने किरण मैम सामने पे सर इधर देखिए ना यहाँ पे सर सामने सर सामने
सर एक स्टैंडिंग
अंदर से सामने पे पीछे लाइट कैसा रख रहे हैं सर सामने पे सर ये सर सामने सर सर सामने यहाँ पे सर ऊपर देखिए सर लेफ्ट Sir, left, sir. Sir, सामने आके sir. Sir, straight up. Ma'am, straight here, ma'am. Ma'am, straight here. Ma'am, सामने आके. Ma'am, straight. Ma'am, straight here, ma'am.
Center, center.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, सामने आके.
चिल्लाता है
Ma'am, here.
सिर्फ तेरे कैमरे में देखेगा
Ma'am, left, left. Ma'am, here. हाँ.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, look at left. Ma'am, your left. Ma'am, look at left. Ma'am, left. Ma'am, here.
Ma'am, just hold. Ma'am, left. Ma'am, straight here, ma'am. Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, straight here, ma'am. Ma'am, straight. Ma'am, here.
Sweta, ma'am, here.
Ma'am, one more here. Straight here, ma'am.
Ma'am, follow here. Excuse me, ma'am, here.
One more straight here, straight. Ma'am, straight.
Yeah, baby, but I was about to be like, let's say like Joffrey.
Excuse me, ma'am, here.
I could do that.
Ma'am, यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, straight here. Ma'am, straight.
I often wonder why I love the show, because it's such a hard, cruel world in Game of Thrones, and there are so few likable people in the show, but I'm absolutely obsessed with the show, and I have my favorites, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what this new season will bring, because last time things were quite up in the air, and I think this season is going to be quite a decider for a lot of people. So I love the show, and I can't wait to watch the whole season.
Yeah, what does India have to learn from shows like these, which you think lacks in our shows?
I think the way they built up character, of course, is drawn from the book, so I suppose we could have done that. But one thing that we definitely can't do for I don't know how many decades to come is the kind of visual spectacle that they create for American television is just at another level of storytelling, but in terms of visual spectacle, I don't think, and the kind of production value that this show has, I don't think any show comes close to it.
Kiran, one question is not from this event, but since Twitter is such a social networking site and it's the medium through which you guys reach the audience, but I just want to know, have you read the latest tweets by Ram Gopal Verma?
No, I'm not on Twitter, and I've been thinking of getting on Twitter at some point, but I'm not on Twitter yet.
That's
so
fine. Thank you. Just one. He's going to a very low pace. What do you think? Why is he? No, I don't think he would have comment.
Thank you. रेडी चलो भाजी पूछो रेडी है साथ अनुराग जी ये जो इतना फेमस सीरीज है आप आज क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं इस सीरीज से?
मैं कुछ नहीं, मैं कहाँ लेके गए लोग अभी सीजन 5 में, और सबसे बात है कि that's unbelievable.
ये सीरीज अगर बात करें इंडियन ड्रामेटिक जो हमारे यहाँ पे सीरीज चलते हैं बहुत अलग है, तो आपको क्या लगता है हमें क्या सीखना चाहिए सब सीरीज से?
हमें तो पहले ये सीखना चाहिए, हमें पहले HBO से सीखना चाहिए कि टेलीविजन कैसे क्रिएट करें. I have not been reading his tweets, and I'm nobody to comment on him. Everything that I know, he has taught me. I have not read his tweets. I'll read that. I'll have the context, and I'll probably comment on it. Thank you.
Thank you.
What would I like to say about, of course, who doesn't like JOT? Massive Game of Thrones fan. These look like all those swords where you kind of put your heads on. I feel like my head's going to be on one of these mics. Well, of course, I'm super happy to be here for Game of Thrones, and I can't wait to see it. I can't believe that I'm getting to get the sneak preview of the first episode of season 5. So yeah, can't wait to get my Khaleesi on.
What do you like most about this series, Game of Thrones?
Everything about it. I think the way it's written, most importantly, I think it's a fantastic series. Brilliantly written. It's brilliantly shot. It's got state-of-the-art, effects. The characters, the actors are brilliant. The costumes. I think it's one of the shows which is so flawless. It kind of just keeps you on the edge of your seat. And of course, each and every character is iconic. Definitely go down in history, and it's something which I think our next generations, even though this season never gets over, that this is a season or this is a show which kids and next generations will keep watching. I think that's fantastic.
Okay, last question apart from this event. Recently, Maharashtra government has stated that in multiplex there will be show timing, compulsory show timing of 6 to 9 prime time for Marathi movies.
Okay,
So what's your take?
fantastic. I think it's brilliant. I think my Marathi film which I released last year ago was Kurukshetra, and unfortunately we didn't have that kind of show timing for multiplexes. Well, I hope for all the movies which are out now, especially regional films, they get a slot for that, because at the end of the day, it's art, it's cinema, and all kinds of cinema needs to be promoted and given the kind of space it brings. All right?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.